Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming exactly why and how long the voice chat suspension is. Check the platform's rules and the message you received. Once done, gather evidence. Screenshots, timestamps, and chat logs that prove context or false positives. Make sure to note account ID and any device or IP changes. You'll need these for an appeal and to verify there was no account compromise. Act now, don't wait, because appeal deadlines and automated removal windows can be short. You should craft a clear, factual appeal that explains what happened and why the suspension is incorrect or deserves leniency. Include relevant evidence as attachments. Once you have the form or support address, submit the appeal with subject lines like appeal, voice suspension, and reference any ticket ID. Make sure to explain technical issues or false positive triggers. If you made a mistake, acknowledge it and outline corrective steps. Keep tone professional and request an expected review timeframe. You continue by tracking the support ticket and following up politely if you haven't heard back in 48 to 72 hours. Remain concise and reference your original ticket. Once resolved, make sure to enable 2FA, change passwords, and correct any behavior that led to the suspension so it doesn't recur. If the platform doesn't respond or denies appeal unfairly, escalate through in-app support, social channels, or supervisor contacts while documenting dates and case numbers for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.